Question number 3. Two identical blocks X and Y, each of mass 2 kgs, 2 kgs are connected by a string. Okay, they move on the same surface. Right, there's a surface here. The surface here. I'll draw the surface. I draw the surface, and force F accelerates the block. There's a force F accelerates the block. That means what? The acceleration direction should be shown, and this value is equal to 0.5. Okay. The frictional force on block X is 4 Newton. The frictional force on block X is 4 Newton. Hey, if this is 4 Newton, this should also be 4 Newton only. Okay, there is no doubt, because same surface, same identical block. That's the reason why he has got identical blocks, and mass is also given. Now, what is he asking? Tension in the string. Okay, now what we do is, let us draw the free body diagram. What is the free body diagram? Now we want to find out this one here. Let me write T is the tension here. See, if this is moving with 0.5, I'm just writing the free body diagram only for this object. Only for this object I'm going. Okay, so if T is the tension acting here, and the acceleration is same. Okay, acceleration for both the blocks is same. Why? Because this string is not getting stretched. If this is moving at 0.5, this is also moving at 0.5. It is like two railway carriages. Okay, say for example, if this has been pulled with 4 meters per second, the second hand will also be pulled with 4 meters per second, right? There's no difference. So therefore, this will also have A equal to 0.5. This is your 4 Newton. So let me write down the free body diagram. T minus 4 is equal to 2 times A. Okay, what's the value of A? 0.5. So 2 into 0.5, it is equal to 1. So T should be equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So the answer is C.